This was the hallway. That was the living room. Back there, kitchen. I took everything out. Wow.
Yeah, they're gonna, that's gonna be a full kitchen, but that kitchen gonna go all the way to the side over here.
Okay.
Not so much, that's gonna be the main kitchen, but over here on the side is where they're gonna be doing,
These was the infamous stairs.
Mm-hmm.
Mind if I take a few pictures? Oh,
Get some insulation.
it's kind of hard.
Pastor, is it okay to go upstairs?
yes.
Okay.
It's kind of hard. But you know what?
Bring
It's
up
not
the
bad.
back end.
So this was the bathroom.
This was the bathroom.
Wow, it was tiny.
This was my parents' bedroom right here.
The door.
It was tiny.
So there would not have been a tub in this one, right?
Yeah, there
Yeah.
was a
Oh, there
tub.
was a tub in this one.
Yep.
Right on the right hand side.
Uh-huh. Wow, so that was a,
It just looks so small, but
yeah.
there was a tub, a sink, and a toilet, and there was a
In the radiator.
and a
Mhm.
radiator. Correct.